Hello dear students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of NIRS of class 7th Science. Dear students, in the previous class we were discussing about the various electrical components and the symbols used to represent it. Okay, so in today's class let us continue the remaining part of the lesson. So here you can look at the figure 14.4 which shows a cell holder. Okay, so a cell can be arranged in a series manner or a parallel manner, and which can be made to held using a material called cell holder. So below there is a wooden support is there, and for that metal plates are attached. Okay, so those two ends are of the cells are arranged are attached with the help of a rubber, at the metal plates, from which two wires have been given. So through for that we can connect the different electrical circuits. Okay, here look at the figure 14.5. This is also another kind of cell holder for a battery of two cells. Okay, this is plastic, made of plastic. In various devices we see that. Okay, so rubber bands hold the metal strips tightly. Okay, you could also buy some cell holders from the market in the shops for making batteries of two cells or more than two cells. So you have to place the cells in them properly such that the positive terminal of the cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Okay, so connect a piece of wire, each to the two metal clips. Okay, you have to connect the piece of wire, okay uh, each to the two metal clips. You have to connect it a piece of wire, each of them, to the two metal clips which you are shown in the diagram, okay, on the cell holder sugar which is shown in the figure 14.5. Okay, so now the battery is ready for use. The symbol used for representing a battery is shown in table 14.1, as already it is shown. Okay, so now let us try to draw a circuit diagram of electric circuit using symbols shown in table 14.1. So that is what activity 14.1. You have to make the electrical circuit shown in the figure 14.7. Okay, here it is shown already in figure 14.7 how you can make the electrical circuit for the given diagram. So 14.7 actually it is electrical circuit, it is given that you can represent with the help of symbols that is shown in the figure 14.8. Okay, so you have used a similar circuit which we have used in this class 6 to make the electric bulb to glow. Okay, so you have to remember that the bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position. Okay, so the bulb glows as soon as the switch is moved to the on position. Am I right or not? So same electric circuit you have to copy in the notebook, and you can draw the circuit diagram, okay, of this circuit, okay, using the symbols now for the various electrical components which are used in this electrical circuit. Okay, so now look at that whether it is similar to the figure 14.8. you can check it out. Okay, so it is much easier to draw the circular electrical circuit by using symbols. Am I right or not? Yes, it's very easy. Therefore we generally represent the electrical circuit by using the symbols only, circuit diagram only. It's circuit diagram only using the symbols. Okay, so look at the figure 14.9 which shows another circuit diagram. That figure 14.9 shows another circuit diagram. So is it identical to the circuit diagram which is shown in the figure 14.8? You should check it with both. Okay, so in which way it is different, you have to compare both of them. So when the bulb glows in this electric circuit, you have to recall that the bulb glows only when the electric current is only when the switch is in on position and electric circuit is closed. Okay, means we say that electric circuit is closed and switch is in on position. So look at the figure 14.7. it's an electric circuit, electric cell, there is a switch and an electric bulb. So that we have represented through electrical circuit with using a symbols. See, look at it here, it's a bulb. Okay, so wires are there, and here it is switch symbol it is, and here the cell symbol. Okay, yes, you have to remember this. So in the bulb there is a thin wire, you can see. Okay, so which is called filament of the bulb, which glows when the electric current passes through that. Okay, so every bulb has a thin filament, thin kind of wire that is called as filament. So when the bulb glows, okay, which glows when the electric current pass through this filament. Okay, when the bulb gets fused, its filament is broken. So sometimes the bulb we not get the bulb glow because at that moment the bulb is fused. It is due to what? The filament is broken. So here you have to note some points here. So there is, notice that the key or switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Okay, you need not put any at particular position. No, not like that. Anywhere you can place it. And when the switch is in the on position, the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery, okay, to the move from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, then we can say that the circuit is complete. The circuit is then said to be closed and the current flows throughout the circuit instantly. Okay, then the circuit is said to be then closed and the current flows throughout the circuit. So when the switch is in the off position, the circuit is incomplete. When the switch is in the off position, the circuit is said to be incomplete. Okay, it is said to be open. No current flows through the any part of the circuit. Okay, so dear students, let me stop here and let me continue remaining part of the lesson in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.